Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you one of our group project which is online quiz platform. Online quiz platform is an online test and quiz maker where test, quiz and assessment can be created and analyzed easily. We have come with this idea mainly because of this pandemic situation where all the educational institutions are shifting all the activities to online. So this online quiz platform will be a secure and reliable place for the exam management for any organization. Now I am showing you the key feature of our project. The examiner can create an exam and share the code with the examinee. A examiner always view the running exam and upcoming exam in the dashboard of examiner. An examiner has an exam history where he view all the exam he created and view participant of each exam and view results and view the ranking of the examinees and analyze the result using a chart. Now as examinee. Examinee can join in an exam using exam code provided by the examiner. After that, a examiner submit a question so that a examinee can view the question and download also. A examinee submit answer script using this and submit answer so that the examiner receive the submission. And when result is published, a examinee view result and view ranking. Examinee has all result options so that a examinee see the all results. Now I am showing you the full process as an examiner. So at first sign up in our system. Enter first name, last name and a username and a valid email address and a password and organization name and role. When examiner sign up, he must choose role examiner. After clicking on sign up, a verification mail will be sent in email address. After verification complete, the account will be active. We see a verification mail sent in my email account. So after click on the confirm account button, my account will be verified. So now I can log in. My username, my password, so now my account is active. Now I can create any exam. So I create an exam title, an exam code and exam marks, exam date and time. You can choose present or present date or any future date. So I choose a present date and exam duration in minute and exam question to upload. So now the exam will successfully created. In dashboard I will see the exam. It's a running exam I created, and exam history also I can view the exam. So now participant 0 and submitted 0. In the system, so I can log in using my credential. I already enrolled in some exam, that's why the exam show here. There are both running exam and upcoming exam. So in running exam I can view, so I click on view button and this will show submission is complete. That means I completed the submission. I can view result if the result is published, but result not published. For another running exam I can view, so this submission is pending, so I can complete my submission by uploading my answer script. So I upload the answer script and press the submit answer button, and the submission is completed. In exam history, all exam history is shown, and a examinee also view all result in exam result option. A examinee also have a profile. So after a participant complete her submission, the submission can view by examiner. So view participant, here the participant name, and in exam history examiner can view submission, here the submission, and give him marks. So after entering marks, examiner can attach any attachment or submit only marks. So I click on submit button and it will show the submission is graded. So a examiner also view the participant list, the view results, and view ranking also.